fellas.
I've not.
Look at this shit.
I've not filmed any of this yet so far.
You know, we could backtrack from this.
Crunch. Crunch.
Little crunchy. Hold on. Let's just set this up like right there.
Crunch time.
We just have to film violating the fenders for proof. No one's gonna believe us.
Dude, we already violated these fenders years ago.
Uh-oh.
Alright. Cool car. There's enough room. Edit that in post.
Yeah, what the hell are these here? What the hell are these? Should we take them off and show the logo on the inside?
SFPAero fenders. Some eBay headlights.
Shiny headlights.
I wanted to get OEM, but fucking.
I don't even think you've turned them on yet.
I did turn them on for myself, but I haven't shown you yet.
Well, I want to see them, so we gotta show them. Look at this. That. We got SFPAero. Little paint job.
It's just primer, but
No, it's a color match.
the whole car will get painted. So.
I mean, at least it's not gonna rust. Oh,
Crispy?
yeah.
Yeah, I can't do blinkers right now.
Can't do blinkers, y'all. Oh, shit, the brights. Like them.
Alright, I got the downstar rivets popped in. I got this side on with the hardware in. I am still deciding if I want to do another one up front. This is sturdy how it is, but I'm worried that when driving some air is going to get in between here and flap this up at all. I don't know. We'll see. Or maybe I just might drill a hole on the underside and have a connector here. I want to have the least amount of these visible possible, but I'll just do what I have to do, if anything. But this is wide as hell. I think it's plus 35 from stock. These look good too after seeing those freaking crusty yellow headlights for years. This is kind of cool, but it's coming together. 2-inch spacers to accommodate the extra width. It was on 1.5 inch before, so it is a step up, not a major step up from before. But let's see how it all looks together. I got some 651s on the front. 235, 35, 19 this time instead of 40 aspect ratio. It's just too much sidewall. On these KFs, I think it's just too big. But this is going to be perfect. And I got 2 more wheels coming from Japan as of today. Maybe I'll put a little hint in here, maybe not, we'll see. But they're going to be some baller fronts. Up all these adapters.
That's going a bit crazy.
Is that gonna hit? It's gonna hit.
You think so? I don't know what your ride height's at. It could be beautiful.
That's what we got.
We gotta see.
It's probably sitting hella positive camber right now too.
Yeah.
Because it sits at 0 and we're fully grooved.
Yeah. See it.
I mean, eating out anywhere else is fine.
Fucking dead on.
Wow.
Dead
Why do I
on.
carry these until I go there? This is...
Yo.
God.
I don't even trust my own coworkers.
That poke is
like
awesome.
It looks like you have 350Z fenders on the G35.
It does look like G350Z like
I just need the quesadilla.
shape on the
Yeah,
hips.
exactly. I just need a quesadilla and I can just like run past it and say goodbye every couple of minutes.
Peep the peel.
Yeah, I mean, it
Fortnite font. Sponsor me.
no one's fair.
Downstar sponsored this guy. He's rocking the best hardware in the game.
Can't even see it.
Can't even see it. You did a headlight check, you did a fitment check, you did a fender check. They're not going nowhere. All you need is a shifter bushing, dude.
I'm gonna drive it with no shifter.
Put it to the test. You gotta check out if having no sway bar is going to hit these beautiful fenders from
SFPAero.
SFPAero. Little, honestly,
No, it's just this so.
there was just a little trouble right here where you had where it was hitting something behind it, but honestly,
The gap was bad before.
it just needs to be a little bit down and it would be like a little bit better. But look, guys, this fucking thing fits fucking great. You didn't have to do any trimming.
No, I did trim. It had a whole flap on the inside that was stuck in like a whole inch, so I trimmed it up.
Okay, so you trim the inside, but the fact that you don't have to do any trimming here and everything is like really good.
Yeah, it literally folds all the way down with the factory bolt positions that you can screw in. That's pretty good. I didn't think it had that.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
I didn't think it had that. I was surprised. Alrighty, time to film an ender for this. I got the SFPAero fenders on with the Downstar hardware, the Spec-D headlights. I just transferred over the stock bulbs I had. Fitment wise, to achieve this, this is a 19x9 plus 40 ABS Model 5 with a 2-inch spacer. Kind of have to do this to get this fitment and clear these brakes because I have the G37 Acubellas on here. I got the side skirts fitted on, but I need to do some work with getting those to fit better. Maybe in the future we'll see if I actually do that or just get the skirts I really wanted in the first place. Next video will probably be a video on the SC300. Cooper finally got some goodies for that car, and he already did some serial 9 bushings to that and didn't even film it. So we're due for an update on that car, we know, and you guys will see it. Next up for this car will be the shifter bushings, because these are toast, and a new driver's seat. I have a thrash seat coming that will be arriving within the next couple weeks, and then that seat will be getting moved to the passenger seat. Also got some 10mm spacers on the rear ABS Model 5s. These are the largest size they made them in, 19x10 plus 19. These are fitting perfect. I need to lower more, but the coilovers are maxed out and I just have to do some cutting. We'll see if I ever do that, but I just finally fixed the axle issue with raising the diff and fixing the angle, and I haven't gone through axles. It's just so nice right now, so I might leave it. Shout out Dr. Mudd for letting me borrow his rivet tool. Came in clutch on this whole job.